Hi, this is Shifa. She's a licensed nutritionist and a health coach, and she has a franchise for a product called Unicity. Unimate is one of the products of the company Unicity, and she is the franchise holder of this. And Shifa, now can you tell me more about where this product is from and what are the standards they go through to produce the product?
Okay, this is basically from USA, but we are spread across 62 countries.
Wow.
And the business runs via website through digital franchising. So we don't keep actual showrooms and on the shelf. It's just in our go downs, you can say. Like drop shipping, you can
Yeah.
say. So that's how you save money on shelves, all right?
Yeah.
And it goes by education.
I see. Now, can you tell me about
How it's
standards?
prepared? Yeah, it's prepared from the scratch. For example, if you take any tea or coffee, most of the companies don't even know what they are putting in their tea or coffee. All right, it's bought from maybe Assam or maybe somewhere else, Darjeeling, and they just put their label and sell it. By the way, if you take any tea and coffee, go and check it in the laboratory. You are going to find certain amount of pesticide.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Because once it's produced and it's stored before packaging, there are cockroaches. There are other insects which infect, which, get into it. And they spray it with pesticide. And after that, the packing is done. And the food licensing and everything gives it a go because it's edible.
Yeah.
So in this product, we do everything from scratch. We grow our plant.
So it's
From the
organically
soil.
done.
Yeah, we grow the plant from the soil. By the way, yerba mate, which is Unimate, we have named it Unimate. Actually, it's a yerba mate plant supplement. It is native to Argentina.
I see.
If you see, just hold on 10 seconds, all right? Google yerba mate celebrities. You'll find Obama, Ronaldo, Messi drinking it for decades.
Wow.
You can do it by yourself. Take 10 seconds and do it, all right? And 500 kg of yerba mate powder had come to FIFA World Cup to Qatar for athletes.
I see. What exactly is yerba mate?
Yerba mate is just like a plant. If you see in India, Pakistan, tulsi is staple for us.
Yeah.
We do everything with tulsi.
Bilkul.
We're ready to eat it. We are ready to put it in our shower water. We're ready to rub it when we have measles or anything. Everything we are ready to do with it, right? Just like that, Argentina has a staple plant called yerba mate. It's a plant. Basically, it's a plant. So we studied the benefits out of it and we concentrated and we made something like this. What Ronaldo, Messi and other athletes drink, they pull out the plants, they dry it and then they just boil it. You are unable to drink that. It tastes like tobacco. It's not concentrated and it's not purified as well. Got it? It needs to be
So
purified.
this is refined.
This is refined, concentrated,
tastes
free of all
fabulous.
We added natural lemon.
I
Taste,
see.
yeah, and
Flavoring
ginger.
has been done.
Yeah. Natural lemon and ginger, not artificial.
So, what I'm interested is
Yeah.
building authority of this product. I have seen the product and I know that it has been very extensively tested and researched
Yeah.
and has very high standards.
Yes.
And it's been, I think this is produced in US, Los Angeles, and the
US.
origin. And
Then
yeah.
we have got 5 plants, Korea, India and US. In
Okay.
US we have 3.
Okay. Great.
Yes.
Now, can you tell us, I think our viewers are very curious as to what is Unimate.
Unimate is a name that we gave for our product, which is made of yerba mate.
Okay.
That's it. Like people call coffee Nescafe
Oh,
or
okay.
brew. It's just like that.
So the program is that whoever is taking this has to also have balance.
These are two products, all right? One is Unimate, one is Balance. This was manufactured by Unicity 30 years ago, like long back. But it's combined recently, a few years ago. Benefits it gives.
Yeah.
This controls your sugar, gives you more energy, less fatigue, and helps you fast more. And this one, the entire world eats carbs, right? If you see by nature, whatever nature produced as sweet has fiber in that. Name anything: orange, sugarcane, any fruit, mango. Everything has generally fiber in them. Why?
It will slow the spike of the blood sugar.
Yes, exactly. But let me tell you something. If you Google now the wild carrot or the wild watermelon or wild banana had this big seed. The agriculture, the food industry is lowering the counts of fiber because humans hate the taste of fiber. I'll tell you how humans hate the taste of fiber. If you go and purchase ladyfinger, okra, bindi that we call. We try to
Break
snap
it,
the
yeah.
tip of it. What are we checking for? Whether it's breaking or not? The ones which break have more carbohydrates, more sugar, more water, less in fiber. So you pick up things which are less in fiber, and the food industry knows that. They know that you hate the taste of fiber. So eventually, in thousands of years of farming, we humans are studying what humans like, love, which is sugar. Basically, sweetness, sugar. And we hate fiber. So we are lowering the fiber, we are having the sugar. If you see potatoes were this size. I wish I kept it open over here to show you. Potatoes were this size, mostly
Baby
fiber.
potatoes.
Mostly fiber. If you bite it, it's like hairy inside. Like a
Fibrous,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah, fibrous. Just like how a mango seed has a lot of
Yeah,
hair,
yeah.
just like that. Potatoes were like that. But what did we do? We modified it to become starchy, thick, juicy, and more of carbohydrates and hardly any fat. See, that's where this comes. This is seven balance. This is seven different kinds of fiber, which you would not generally get it with any natural food. Oats, if you have 100 grams of oats, if you cook it, it's gonna be this much.
You can't
100
possibly consume the amounts that's
100
required.
grams of oats, can you guess, take a wild guess, how many grams of fiber does it have? Wild guess. Wild
Okay,
guess.
about maybe 7-8 grams of fiber.
1 gram.
Oh, sorry. How much fiber?
100 gram of oats has 1 gram fiber.
OMG.
Exactly.
Just 1 gram. And it's
Exactly.
considered as one of the best soluble
It's just
fibers.
marketing. It's just marketing. Chia seeds, I agree, chia seeds is best if you argue in our comment section. Please argue, okay? But chia seeds has potentially that many calories. If you have to take that much
Fat
of
rich, basically.
exactly. You have to, and even if you argue that you want to take chia seed, good, take it, but it's one kind of fiber. Tell me how consistent you can be in a pizza place or a burger place where you can have your fiber. You can't. This is easier. It's a tool. What I call this is it's a modern tool for modern food environment. This helps you fast. This completes your minerals, vitamins, and fiber, which usually we don't get in food.
Yeah, nowadays we don't have that much balanced food, right? So Unicity Balance, I would like to talk about this. This has fiber. So for people who are wondering, like, not all of us are nutritionists. So what is fiber? Fiber is a part of the plant that our body cannot digest or metabolize. So what happens is there are two types of fibers, soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and is very useful. It becomes gel-like and is useful in absorbing cholesterol and also balancing your blood sugar levels. Whereas insoluble fiber,
It's like roughage.
yeah, it adds bulk to your stool and it helps with constipation. So fibers are usually found in whole foods like your fruits and vegetables and nuts and seeds. 100%.
We are not able to take them every meal. That's
Exactly,
why
and not that much. The amount that is required. These are like simple and easy to use.
And one more thing, when you have balance, if you shake it and see, it's like as you said, just some gel-like substance. It becomes gel-like substance, and it coats your stomach, and it doesn't let your blood
Insulin
spike.
spikes.
Regulation, it becomes a problem.
Absolutely. Like, the protocol actually for anybody who's wanting to, control their blood sugars or wanting to lose weight and generally have a healthy lifestyle is to start your meal with some salad. That is actually what we're trying
you're
to say
trying to
is
say.
to have fiber. So this lines your intestinal lining, and what happens when you later consume your protein and finally your carbohydrates like you're supposed
That's
to.
the right
Yeah,
order.
exactly. This is how you're supposed to eat. So then what happens is there won't be sugar spikes and your food is digested much better and it's great for your health and fewer calories.
Are consumed.
Exactly.
Unnecessary calories are not taken. By the way, if you see yerba mate plant, basically has every nutrient that human body needs to sustain. If you see crazy fasting people, there are people who fast like 1 day, 2 day, 3 days.
Yes.
There is a community where they fast for months. It's not something we recommend. But what I'm trying to say here to show you the credibility of the product is we have tried and given it to them. It has been
Sustains their fast.
absolutely game changer for them. They could fast for months and months and without fatigue, without dehydration, without headaches. So this helps you fast. By the way, let me show you a simple math. When you wake up in the morning, it's technically impossible for you to skip breakfast. What we are trying to tell you is, whichever first meal is technically your breakfast. It doesn't need to be 8 in the morning. If you take 4 o'clock in the evening, it's your breakfast. The first meal of the day, farthest in the day. Farthest in the day, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, whatever. Alright? Because from the previous night, whatever you have eaten, maybe it's not burnt enough. You give your body chance to burn your stored fat. For example, if you are earning money and your salary is consistent, would you use your money from the saving? You use your salary, right? Same way, if your body is getting food or your body would, oh, you're getting food, let me burn this. Why should I burn from the
Yeah,
reserve?
because carbohydrates are a preferred source of fuel.
You have
Energy.
two fuels. One is carb, one is fat.
Yeah, the fat only, comes
Uses
into play only after
when carb is not there.
Yeah, so fasting helps with that. Absolutely.
So, to people who can't fast, who are
Yeah.
not metabolic, one thing that you can test yourself to see if you're metabolically healthy is try to fast for 4 to 5 hours when you wake up. If you cannot fast for 4 to 5 hours when you wake up, you are surely metabolically unhealthy. You need to
Yeah.
take something like this, which will help you fast longer. This doesn't have calories, it doesn't have sugar, it will help you fast, and it's tasty to do.
The ingredients in this drink
Yerba mate plant, that's it.
and
Yerba mate is a plant. If you Google it, you can see it's just like a tea plant. That's it.
yeah, it also has this coffee kind of chlorogenic acids.
Yeah, it does have chlorogenic acid, but it's in high amount, and we
Compared
also
to
have,
coffee.
So yeah,
Gives you that boost.
and it also has caffeine and mate saponin and theobromine. These are some things which coffee doesn't have.
Yeah, fasting is another important thing for, getting into a good metabolism
Yes.
and losing weight and also balancing your blood sugar levels, especially for people with. I think this product is
Actually,
who
we
does
have-
this product benefit? Who should take these products?
Yeah, that's a good question. We have 90 days money back because we are so solid on our science that we are ready to give you the money back even if
Wow.
you use it. People with diabetes, cholesterol, fatty liver, these people can have themselves tested before, alright? Then after 90 days, if you don't see changes in your blood report, claim your money back.
Wow. Guys,
We're not talking about weight loss. Weight loss is an additional benefit that you get out of it.
it's like a cherry on the cake.
Okay, exactly. You will lose inches, 110%. You'll start shedding from here and there and everywhere. But that's not the primary objective of the product when we developed this. When we developed this, we wanted a metabolically healthy population, which most of the Browns and South Asian community are not metabolically healthy. Even in everywhere in the world. Not only
No,
about Browns,
especially the
everyone.
Asians.
Especially the Asians.
Yeah. I've heard
Because
about
of
that.
carbs.
Yeah, because we are so fond of rice and,
Rice and everything, exactly.
Yeah, and
You can get your money back if you don't see the results. What else do you need?
yeah. So where can they buy this product?
We are there in 62 countries. We are on a website called unicity.com. All right, the retail price will be reflected on that. But if you go through a distributor, like I'm a distributor, you can enjoy discounts.
Wow. So when they
There's a-
use your link, what kind of discount are they getting?
They're getting, suppose if this one is, this entire combo is 780 AED in Dubai as a retail price. If they go through a distributor, which is highly recommended, because a distributor will also tell you how to take the product. Right?
Yeah, that's so
It will be
important.
670 AED.
Okay,
For 90 sachets. You get 2 of these per day and 1 of these. 30 of this and 60 of this.
Oh,
30 of this and 60 of this.
That's 1 month.
1 month's combo.
Sounds
Just try it,
amazing.
you have nothing to lose.
Sounds amazing to me, Shifa. That was wonderful getting a complete insight about this product and what this product does and for whom it is, and knowing that Shifa is a franchise of this
By
product.
the way, people can also Burger King and Pizza Hut and McDonald's. If you take a franchise, you can't franchise the franchise, right? But in this, if I take a franchise, I can franchise the franchise, which means I'm trying to tell you over here, even if
Anybody
you are
can.
somebody who is interested in the business, can start the business if you love the product, if you have tried the product. So first, go with trying the product. If you love it, help. See, I have a mission over here. It's called 1% mission.
That's
We
awesome.
want 1% of the GCC population, because I live in GCC. 1% of the GCC population, I want to touch them, I want to educate them about the product. Something like this is available, you don't need to struggle. Because I used to struggle before. If I didn't complete my 7 or 8 hours of sleep, I used to get acidity. If I ate too much cheese, normal cheese, mozzarella or anything, acidity, heartburn. If I ate something spicy, acidity, heartburn. Who knew that we had something like this? I saw somebody on TikTok. I was like, some product, again some product. Until I
the
tried
trust
it.
is not there, right?
Until I tried it.
So
Until
you try it and see the
Exactly.
differences.
Until I tried it, I was like, no.
And what you have to lose, it's a 90-day money back.
Exactly.
So, yeah. And honestly, I'm thinking about it. And also, I'm thinking about the franchise that comes later.
Oh, that's
I
nice.
have to be satisfied. And I will let you guys know if this is going to work for me.
You will see your journey.
That too. That's a good idea.
Impressing for your viewers,
Viewers, yeah.
and it's a good, what do you say, boost for you as well, where your audience can see you using it.
Yeah.
And
I
you can
think
share your experience, honest reviews.
honest
Honest
reviews. Always. Like, that's very important. Thank you, Shifa. It was a
It was
pleasure.
a pleasure meeting you too.